Oh, this guy has a pretty bad kyphosis. Ooh, he's twisting his neck with a towel. There's no specificity there. Just general. Oh, no. 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 Of course his neck would be flat. You just ripped it off almost. What is this towel adjustment? This is a... Ooh. No specificity at all. I think he's just like trying to like rip his throat. I guess this is just a clinic that specializes in men who can't relax. A refrigerator in the back? Is he in a showroom somewhere? Or a kitchen? That's pretty intense. I don't know. That's not a good move. I wouldn't do that.